Hello, and welcome to Better English Daily. Today, you practice real, simple English you can use when you go to a cafe. In this video, I speak slowly, clearly, and naturally, and you say each sentence out loud after me. Imagine the situation. Smile. Speak confidently. Let's begin. Part 1. I like going to cafes. I like going to cafes. I like going to cafes. I often go to cafes in my free time. I often go to cafes in my free time. I enjoy sitting in a cafe with a coffee. I enjoy sitting in a cafe with a coffee. I like the atmosphere in cafes. I like the atmosphere in cafes. Cafes help me relax. Cafes help me relax. Sometimes I go alone. Sometimes I go alone. Sometimes I go with friends. Sometimes I go with friends. I like to spend time in cafes. I like to spend time in cafes. Part 2. Cafes in my city. There are many cafes in my city. There are many cafes in my city. Some cafes are small and cozy. Some cafes are small and cozy. Some cafes are modern and busy. Some cafes are modern and busy. There are cafes near my home. There are cafes near my home. There are cafes in the city center. There are cafes in the city center. Some cafes are cheap. Some cafes are cheap. Some cafes are expensive. Some cafes are expensive. I have my favorite cafe. I have my favorite cafe. Part 3. What you can order and prices. In a cafe, I can order coffee. In a cafe, I can order coffee. I can order tea. I can order tea. Juice is also available. Juice is also available. There are desserts on the menu. There are desserts on the menu. I can choose a sandwich. I can choose a sandwich. The menu is simple. The menu is simple. The prices are reasonable. The prices are reasonable. This coffee costs $5. This coffee costs $5. This dessert is not expensive. This dessert is not expensive. The price is okay for me. The price is okay for me. Part 4. Ordering and questions. I look at the menu. I look at the menu. I am ready to order. I am ready to order. Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a latte? Can I have a latte? How much is this drink? How much is this drink? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Do you have something sweet? Do you have something sweet? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? That's all. Thank you. That's all. Thank you. Part 5. When the food arrives. The waiter brings my order. The waiter brings my order. This is my coffee. This is my coffee. This is my food. This is my food. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. The food smells nice. The food smells nice. Can I get some sugar, please? Can I get some sugar, please? Can I get some water? Can I get some water? Excuse me, could you help me? Excuse me, could you help me? Part 6. Paying and leaving. I ask for the bill. I ask for the bill. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? I check the bill. I check the bill. Everything is correct. Everything is correct. I pay by card. I pay by card. I leave a small tip. I leave a small tip. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Goodbye. I leave the cafe. I leave the cafe. Part 7. Cafe Stories. Story 1. I often go to a small cafe near my home. I usually order a coffee and something sweet. The cafe is quiet and cozy. I sit by the window and watch people outside. I drink my coffee slowly and relax. I really like spending time there. I often go to a small cafe near my home. I usually order a coffee and something sweet. The cafe is quiet and cozy. I sit by the window and watch people outside. I drink my coffee slowly and relax. I really like spending time there. Story 2. Sometimes I meet a friend at a cafe. We choose a place in the city center. We order coffee and talk for a long time. The atmosphere is friendly and calm. The prices are reasonable. We enjoy the moment and do not rush. Sometimes I meet a friend at a cafe. We choose a place in the city center. We order coffee and talk for a long time. The atmosphere is friendly and calm. The prices are reasonable. We enjoy the moment and do not rush. Well done! Today you practiced English for real cafe situations. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally and confidently. Practice shadowing every phrase from this lesson daily, and you'll speak confidently in any situation. On this channel, you can also find videos about greetings and introductions, Self-introduction examples. Talking about your day, my family, my home, shopping for food. If you liked this lesson, like the video, subscribe to Better English Daily and share it with others. See you in the next video.